management system. Having a system for organizing and storing documents is important for businesses and individuals alike. It helps to improve efficiency and productivity by making it easier to find and access documents when needed. It can also reduce the risk of data loss and ensure that documents are properly secured. There are 6 basic components of a document management system. One, document identification. The first step in creating a system for organizing and storing documents is to identify the type of documents that will be stored. This could include things like contracts, invoices, reports, and correspondence. By identifying the type of documents that will be stored, it becomes easier to categorize and label them in a way that makes sense. This component allows users to create new documents using various tools and applications, such as word processors, spreadsheets, and presentation software. 2. Document storage. This component provides a central location where all documents can be stored and organized. This can be a physical location, such as a filing cabinet or a server room, or it can be a digital location, such as a network drive or cloud storage service. There are several options for storing documents, including paper-based filing systems, electronic document management systems, network drive, and cloud-based storage. When choosing a storage method, it is important to consider the need of the organization and the type of documents that will be stored. For example, a paper-based filing system may be sufficient for a small business with only a few types of documents, with a larger organization may require a more advanced electronic document management system. 3. Index and retrieval system. An index and retrieval system for documents is a system that is used to organize, store, and retrieve electronic documents and images. It is an essential component of a document management system, as it allows users to quickly and easily find and access the documents they need. There are several types of index and retrieval systems that can be used to organize and store documents. One common approach is to use a keyword-based indexing system, where each document is assigned a set of keywords that describes its content. Users can then search for documents by entering relevant keywords, and the system will return a list of documents that match the search criteria. Another approach is to use a hierarchical indexing system, where documents are organized into a tree-like structure based on categories or topics. This can be useful for large organizations with many different types of documents, as it allows users to navigate through the different categories to find the documents they need. In addition to these traditional indexing approaches, modern document management systems often use advanced search and retrieval technologies, such as natural language processing or machine learning algorithms, to provide more accurate and relevant search results. Document management is the process of organizing, storing, and tracking electronic and physical documents. It involves creating a system for identifying, storing, and retrieving documents in a timely and efficient manner. This is especially important in a business setting where there may be a large volume of documents that need to be accessed and shared by multiple employees. 4. Document distribution. There are several ways that documents can be distributed within a document management system. One common method is through the use of a central repository, where all documents are stored and can be accessed by authorized users. This central repository may be a physical location, such as a filing cabinet or storage room, or it may be a digital platform, such as a cloud-based document management system. Another method of distributing documents is through the use of subfolders or tags. These allow users to group documents by category or project, making it easier to find specific documents when needed. Subfolders and tags can also be used to control access to certain documents, ensuring that only authorized users are able to view or edit them. Another way to distribute documents is through the use of email or other messaging platforms. This allows users to share documents with specific individuals or groups, either within or outside of the organization. However, this method of distribution can be less secure and may not be suitable for sensitive or confidential documents. Ultimately, the best method of distributing documents will depend on the specific needs and goals of the organization. It is important to consider factors such as the number of documents being managed, the level of security required, and the need of the users when determining the most appropriate distribution method. By carefully planning and implementing a document management system, organizations can improve efficiency and streamline their document management processes. 5. Security and backup. One of the main concerns with using a DMS is the security of the stored documents. Documents often contain sensitive or confidential information that, if accessed by unauthorized individuals, could lead to serious consequences such as data breaches, financial losses, or reputational damage. One way to protect documents from unauthorized access is through the use of secure login credentials, such as passwords or biometric authentication methods. These measures can help to ensure that only authorized individuals have access to the documents. In addition, it is important to implement security protocols, such as two-factor authentication, to further protect against unauthorized access. Another way to protect documents is through the use of encryption. Encryption is the process of encoding data in such a way that it can only be accessed by those with the necessary to read or access the content of the documents. Catastrophic events such as fires, floods, or hardware failures can also pose a threat to the integrity and availability of documents. To protect against these type of events, it is important to have a robust backup and recovery plan in place. This can involve the use of backup software and hardware to regularly create copies of the documents, as well as an off-site storage of backups to protect against physical disasters. 6. Audit trails are an important feature of a document management system because they provide a record of the history of a document and any changes that have been made to it. Audit trails are useful for a number of reasons, including A. Ensuring compliance. Audit trails can help organizations to meet regulatory and compliance requirements by providing a record of all activity related to a document. In some cases, audit trails may be required as part of legal proceedings, such as in the case of intellectual property disputes or litigation. B. Tracking changes. Audit trails allow users to see who made changes to a document and when those changes were made, which can be helpful for understanding how a document has evolved over time. Facilitating collaboration. Audit trails can help multiple users to collaborate on a document by providing a clear record of who made what changes. D. Improving document security. Audit trails can help to prevent unauthorized changes to documents by providing a record of who accessed a document and when. E. Troubleshooting errors. Audit trails can help to identify and fix errors or inconsistencies in a document by providing a record of who made what changes and when. F. Quality control. Audit trails can help organizations to maintain the quality and accuracy of their documents by providing a record of changes made to the documents over time. To support audit trails, a DMS should have the ability to track and record all activity related to a document, including who accessed the document, who made changes, and when those changes were made. This information should be stored in a secure and tamper-proof manner to ensure the integrity of the audit trail.